Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about TOLOCO body sculpt machine. So you should purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems of this product. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you, like this TOLOCO brand is a very newly launched brand, and there is no official website available on internet. And when we're making a research, we find that one website related to TOLOCO, and the website name is like toloco.xyz. It means the website, or you can say like it means the product is not looking genuine product. Okay, and we talk about like problems. When you see the reviews and the ratings of this product, the ratings of this product is not looking good, and one computer, you can say like one customer is complaining like the product is not looking worthy at all. This is not looking a good one. And we talk about like the results. The one customer is complaining like it will not give some good kind of results, and it will also making a some kind of noise, and this is not looking like a worthy good one. Okay, and we talk about like what are the alternates of this product. Yes, there are lots of alternates available in the market. When you visit on amazon.com, you will see Vibro Sculpt is a very popular product in today's time, and you can see the ratings of the product is also too good, and the website is available on internet. Each and everything is provided by the brand is looking very good. So you can try the Vibro Sculpt if you have any issue related to this kind of product. Okay, you can go, if you want to get any kind of good product, then you can go with like Vibro Sculpt. Vibro Sculpt is a very popular brand. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision, and you can also share your thoughts in our comment box. So if you are going to purchase TOLOCO body sculpt, then you can choose some other, you can say like brand. I'm not going to say like you should purchase this one only. Okay, you can choose anyone which is looking like genuine brand. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.